Let's go. Solo footwork.
That's Kenny.
Twist.
I'm Allison.
So we got a hey,
Twist,
pose,
twist, trip,
step, pop, pop,
twist, trip, twist, twist, trip, twist.
Now solo, swingouts. Sorry, I said that late.
Triple step. Twist, 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 and step,
One more
step,
time
step, triple step. Twist, 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 and step, 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 twist, and out.
All right, so just demoing.
Ga-da, ha, ha, triple twist, twist, twist.
I'm gonna get the other end, so it's
Twist, 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 and step, 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 triple twist, 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 and step.
Ask the leaders to think about catching their partner with their left side, allowing their nose, even their hips to go past their ankles. And one more time. We have this nice little variation. Comes from Frankie and Davidson. And other variations, feel free to add them. Just kind of play with it. And we also just reminded folks that the mini dip is a 6 counter. That can be ended with a stomp off, or frankly, whatever you want, just riff off each other. That's it.